Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to upload images to Midjourney. To start, open your Discord. Then go to General Discussion. Here, select General. Tap on Announcements. Now select Join Stage. Tap Select under Send to. Now select a server. Then tap on Follow. Tap Got it. Here, select Join Stage. You can see event info. Then tap on Announcement icon in your right corner. Here, choose 3 horizontal lines from your left corner. Go to General. Now tap on the plus icon in your left corner. Tap on Allow. From the gallery, tap on the picture you want to send. Then tap on the arrow icon and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.